can do both, I can do both. I can be your boy toy, I can be your bride. I can shut my mouth or I can open wide. Do you want the masculine or feminine side? I can do both, I can do both, I can do both, both.
I was riding shotgun with my hair undone in the front seat of his car. He's got a one-hand feel on the steering wheel, the other on my heart. I look around, turn the radio down. He says, baby, is something wrong? I say nothing, I was just thinking how we don't have a song. And he says, our song is a slam and scream door, sneaking out late, tapping on your window when we're on the phone and you talk real slow, 'cause it's late and your mama don't know.
We never learned that we've been here before. Why are we always stuck and running from the bullets? The bullets. We never learned we've been here before. Why are we always stuck and running from the bullets? The bullets. Just stop your crying, it's the sign of the times. We gotta get away from here. We gotta get away from here. We got to
It's a no from me. This singing just wasn't up to scratch, but at least you had your moment to sing at Wembley in front of all these lovely people.
Thank you.
But I know in my heart you're not a constant star. And yeah, I'll let you use me from the day that we first met, but I'm not done yet falling for you. Fool's gold, and I knew that you turned it on for everyone you met, but I don't regret.
So I never really knew you. God, I really tried to. Blindsided, addicted.
Take this back to my place, yeah. That's what she said right to my face. 'Cause I want you, baby. Yeah, I want you, baby. I've been thinking about it all day, and I hope you feel the same way, yeah. 'Cause I want you, baby. Yeah, I want you, baby. Slow, slow hands, like sweat dripping down my dirty laundry. No chance that I'm leaving here without you, me. I know, yeah, I already know that there ain't no stopping your pleasure, no slow hands. Woo! Bow down, 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 down. Slow hands. That's what it's called at the moment. Oh, sexy. I just wanna take my time. Yeah, we could do this, baby, all night. I could do it all night, I could do it all night. 'Cause I want you, I can do it for 20 minutes. Yeah, I want you, baby, slow, slow hands, like sweat dripping down that dirty laundry. I'm gonna need a glass of water, baby. I know, yeah, I already know that there is some stopping. I can only go once. I want some water. Right. And a glass of orange. Can we get some water, please? A glass of more, it's just one water. Would be nice, thank you guys. It's an orange slice. Just one glass. Vitamins, I can't anymore.
I'm addicted to him. I flex on my ex every time that she texts me. I'm looking like, hold up. Yeah. I know I'm the shit, but she say I ain't shit and my dick is bitch. Shut up. Yeah. I'm taking my new bitch to places I took her. She cannot afford. Being I posted on Instagram stunting, she trying to ignore it.
Great stuff. Right, let's have a look at another exclusive film from the band's staggering world tour. Today, Louis gives us a sneak peek into his inner sanctum, the tour bus.
So I've always loved the bus, the tour bus. I've spent a lot of time over the years on the bus. Often when we have the option to stay in a hotel or a bus, I'd much rather stay on the bus, only because, you know, we move hotel to hotel all the time. So it's quite nice to have a base, you know, somewhere like home, really. Especially over America when we were going on quite big journeys. There would be times where, you know, you just fall asleep maybe at 2, 3 o'clock and we wake back up either in a different country or just, you know, a completely random place like a service station or something like that. It's actually pretty nice, you know, just getting off the bus at maybe like early morning with a cup of tea, see the fellow truckers. Feel like I'm part of the crew now. It is actually a nice time, a nice place to reflect. You know, we've had so many pretty deep conversations in the back lounge or the front lounge, and yeah, it's definitely something I remember, and I definitely associate that with, you know, having those talks with the boys. I think it's really, really important that you keep your friends around you that were around before it all went pretty crazy. You know, it's always good to have those people that when you say something stupid, they're going to pull you up on it. I think, yeah, I'm getting to the stage now where it's last few shows until the break, and starting to think that, you know, next year we won't be touring, and actually that's a weird thing for us, because for the last 4 years consecutively we have been. And I think what's going to be nice is over this time is actually watching each of us as individuals go on and maybe do different things across this year. And that'll actually be really nice for each other, you know. And I've pledged to myself, I've got to learn guitar next year. That's like my task. I mean, we're definitely coming back. It's really not that weird that we've done 5 relentless years and now we're taking a little break, so yeah.
Squirrel.
Your X Factor winner, Matt Cardo.
Shit, I've got chlamydia. A song by me.
Christ, amazing! I love Scotland!
Mammary. These are my ingredients. I think when you're making a dish, you know, so complex, it becomes about winning, quite simply. Jolly good! Jolly good! Oh, jolly good, jolly good, jolly good. Jolly good! Presentation is as important, if not more important, than how it tastes.
These pipes be clogged, sir.
Yeah, I live in the valley.
At the end of the day, I'm not feeling fabulous.
Poutine! 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 Syrup! Syrup on poutine! We are men! We're men! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh baby, yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! 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 Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, yeah!
I think grown
grown-ups talk like this.
And they share a desk and yell words at each other.
Business, business, business.
One Direction are here to see you. American accent.
Hey, where'd you come from, sugar tits?
Hubba hubba. Boing.
No, it's me, Zane, remember?
Like I said, boing.
I just love you guys.
Here comes the marketing guy, Marcel. Boing.
Okay, guys, this is gonna be a new look. Absolutely not.
We would never wear that.
This is a picture of you from the lobby. You're wearing this now.
We don't dress ourselves.
How about this?
Never in a million years.
This is a screenshot from your last video. We can't stand our own music, so we didn't see it.
Who's that bloke dancing behind you?
Oh, that's Leroy. He's just there to be an offensive stereotype.
Dance, dance, dance! Liam is the cute test. And it's funny, because I'm talking to myself.
How about this?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Cut! Say that you don't like it. Go, no!
But we do like it.
No, get angry! Well, not real angry, but more like West Side Story angry. Hoo, ha, hoo.
Steal an anthem from the Who? Take Tenacious D's old concept.
Tribute.
Swipe a character from Cruise. Little girls won't know the difference.
We can't write a dance or play a sing, but we're pretty good at modeling. Here's a half-ass track that they slap together. If you just hit mute, it'll sound much better. We write our own songs, but we can't do better. If we just stay cute, we can sing whatever.
I could go blah, blah, blah.
I can go.
We could go.
Oh my god, I can taste it!
Don't forget to do guy stuff.
Like football?
No, piggy back leapfrog and grab us. I'll show you.
Help me trash this lady's desk.
I just work here, what?
Throwing papers is so badass.
Hey, why do you have to mess with me? As if this job weren't already shitty.
Cause they make us play like we are rebellious.
It can't be bossed around, at least that's
What they tell us. We're just really a bunch of polite young fellas. If we disobey them, they're gonna gild us.
and make us go.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
And make us go. While they touch our buttholes.
We can meet again somewhere. Somewhere far away from me.
How do you measure success today?
I think me doing what I do, doing what I love, and being able to go on the road and do things like that. I think I'm halfway there, like, definitely. I'm happy doing music I'm doing.
Yeah, and one of my friends kind of said, if you're happy doing what you're doing, then nobody can tell you you're not successful.
Tomlinson.
Liam Payne.
You have exactly 3 seconds to explain why you just woke me up.
Because it's morning and you should be awake.
Interesting. I didn't know you wanted to die today.
Francis, you can't kill me.
It's too late. I've already decided how.
Help me, Jeffrey.
How's your bum, by the way?
Shit, did Louis tell you about last night? I'm getting the divorce papers. What do I say now? Larry is real. This is getting awkward.
After the old falling over. Breaking the ice here.
I didn't know.
Ain't nothing to break a change on two, nothing to break change W. Hear this bit about penthouse view, yo, change and looking up from a red house view, yo. I told them the boys gone through, y'all change and looking up from a red house view. What? Don't think about being what? Nobody can jump. G to the R to the A to the G beat down. Ain't nothing to be around. Harry and Jim, whoa, nah, Liam and Louis,
I love you. Thanks. Okay, that hurts. That's worse. That's worse.
Try it again. Wait, really good. Yeah.
Okay. I love you.
Me too.
You love yourself too?
Yeah.
That's
Right,
weird
that works,
too.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's also confusing.
Or I love you. I could see that.
All right, try one more time.
Okay. I love you.
Oh yeah.